What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at a pretty awesome case for your MAVIC Air. If you've never heard of this company, don't worry, I'll explain all about it. It is the Dacckit case, and it is a pretty nice looking case. They went ahead and sent it out to me for the MAVIC Air, and we're gonna take a look at it today. What's going on, everyone? You are watching Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm Original Dobo, and if you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. This is the Dacckit case, and it is a very affordable option if you want to take everything you have, like all of your gear for your MAVIC Air, with you on any trip that you're going on. DJI did include a pretty nice travel case for the MAVIC Air, but the problem is it leaves your controller, your props, your batteries, or even your charger out of the equation. And if you have any ND filters, forget about it. There is no room in this case for it. So with the Dacckit case, it solves all of those problems, and it comes at a relatively affordable price point, which I'll get to in a little bit. So what do we get in this case? Inside this case, you can fit your MAVIC Air, your controller with the joysticks attached, along with your charger, and up to 5 batteries. 1 battery in the drone, and then there's 4 slots for batteries. Folding down the top, you have a spot to add your spare props or any of your ND filters that you need. The styrofoam that the MAVIC Air is held in is pretty dense, but not dense enough where it's hard to get your MAVIC Air out. Encompassing the case is a nice fabric material that is very durable and looks like it would be water resistant as well. They also include a nice shoulder strap as well if you don't want to carry it like a suitcase. And it's just really well built and a nice quality case. Now, who is this case really for though? The MAVIC Air touts itself as the most portable drone in DJI's lineup. So why would anybody want a case like this? Well, this is something for like the person who this is their main photography equipment, meaning that they're just going to take their drone with them on a quick trip, and maybe they want to throw it under a seat of an airplane, and this may be the way to go. I probably wouldn't recommend this for people who are just going to throw their Air, basically in their book bag, set it and forget it. That's how I am. But this is definitely for a certain niche of people who just want to take their drone and they want to make sure it's stored safely. There's a lot of them on the market that are just cheaply made, but this case is definitely very well made. It looks decent. It's just not chintzy and cheap. So definitely like the quality of this case. Now, if you like this case, I am going to be giving it away live on Up in the Air on April 30th. So make sure you tune in for that. I'm going to have Kelly from Ready Set Drone on the show, and I'm actually going to let him pick a winner. So if you comment in the thread during the show, I'm going to let Kelly go ahead and just randomly select one person with a comment, and then we'll basically get in contact with you shortly after the show to set up shipping arrangements. But if you like this case and you don't want to wait for April 30th at a chance to win, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below where you can go check this out for yourself. I think it's definitely worth the $39.99 that they're selling it for, especially if you want just a little bit more protection or a little bit more storage than what DJI offered you with the stock case. Anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you smash that like button. As always, thanks for watching and stay original. We'll catch you in the next one.